Water is essential for life. We need water to drink, cook, clean, and stay healthy. Did you know that about 70% of the Earth's surface is covered in water? That's a lot of water. There are different types of water. We have fresh water, which comes from lakes, rivers, and underground sources. Then there's salt water, which is found in oceans and seas. Fresh water is what we usually drink, while salt water is too salty for us to drink without treating it first. Water is everywhere around us. When it's hot outside, we might want to cool off by swimming in a pool or playing with water in a sprinkler. Water also falls from the sky as rain. Rain is important because it helps plants grow and fills up our rivers and lakes. We use water in many ways at home. We use it to wash our hands, take a bath or shower, and clean dishes. Water is also used in cooking. We boil pasta or rice in water, and we use water to make soups and drinks like tea and coffee. Animals and plants also need water to survive. Birds drink water from puddles or bird baths, and animals in the wild find water in rivers or ponds. Plants absorb water from the soil through their roots to grow and stay healthy. It's important to save water too. We can save water by fixing leaks in our faucets and using less water when we shower or brush our teeth. Every drop counts. In some places, people don't have easy access to clean water. That's why it's important to appreciate and take care of the water we have. So, let's remember to drink plenty of water, use it wisely, and help keep our water sources clean for everyone and everything that needs it. Water is precious, and we all need it to live happy and healthy lives.